The United Kingdom's Ministry of Defense Intelligence update on Ukraine, May 28, 2023. In recent weeks, the tone of public debate in Russia has moved beyond merely punishing those who criticize this special military operation, towards mandating citizens to actively make sacrifices in support of the war effort. Russian state-backed media and business groups have petitioned the Economic Ministry to authorize a 6-day week for workers in the face of the economic demands of the war, apparently without additional pay. On May 21, 2023, leading Russian propagandist Margarita Simonyan mooted that citizens should work for 2 extra hours in munitions factories each day, after their regular jobs. The evolving tone of the conversations clearly echoes a Soviet-style sense of societal compulsion. It also highlights how the leadership highly likely identifies economic performance as a factor in the war. The Air Force Command of Ukraine Armed Forces update. On the night of May 28, 2023, Russia attacked Ukraine with Iranian attack drones Shahed 136, 131 from the northern direction, Bryansk region, and the southern Krasnodar region. A record number of kamikaze drone launches were recorded, 54 in total. Another night attack was directed by Russia at military facilities and facilities of the state's critical infrastructure in the central regions of the country, in particular at the Kyiv region. Here in the Center Air Command area of responsibility, most of the attack drones have been destroyed. Also, the forces and means of the Air Command South and the Air Command West of the Air Forces of the Armed Forces of Ukraine and air defense of other components of the Defense Forces of Ukraine were involved in repelling the attack. As a result of successful combat work, 52 Shahedis were destroyed. The Institute for the Study of War Russian Offensive Campaign Assessment. Russian forces conducted the largest Shahed drone strike against Ukraine since the start of the war overnight on May 27 to the 28th. Ukrainian Air Force spokesperson Colonel Yuri Inat characterized this strike as the largest drone strike since the start of the war and stated that Russian forces chiefly targeted Kyiv. Zhytomyr Oblast head Vitaly Benechko reported that Russian drones struck an unspecified infrastructure facility in the oblast. The Russian allocation of aerial munitions to targeting Kyiv rather than prioritizing infrastructure or military facilities continues to constrain this limited Russian air campaign's ability to meaningfully degrade Ukrainian offensive capabilities for the upcoming counteroffensive, as the Institute for the Study of War has previously assessed.